How to duplicate page on Webflow. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to duplicate pages on Webflow. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your webflow.com, open up the website where you want to duplicate a page. Once you open up the website, this is going to be your editor. This is a website on which I am working. So I'll show you how to duplicate a page. You can see we have this panel at the side of our screen and we have the pages option. Click on pages. It will show you all of the pages on your website. Then you have to select the page you want to duplicate. Let's say this page of categories. Click on settings. In settings, you will be able to find a lot of different options. In here, you will be able to find this small option, which is the duplicate page option. With each page, when you open it up, in settings, we have this right here next to the close button. You can see it's a duplicate. Click on it and you will be able to duplicate your page. For me, I have maximum number of pages on my website already, but you just click on this option and you will be able to duplicate a page really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.